chefs, welcome back to Auntie Nina's kitchen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for all the love and the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Well, today we are going to go a little American with a little bit of Jamaican touch to it. So I'm going to be doing some salmon, some baked salmon with honey jerk glaze, and I'm also going to be doing some green beans and some smashed potatoes. So guys, just follow me into the kitchen. Okay, chef, so first thing I did was to slice up my salmon. I'm adding some powder seasoning, which I'm using some Old Bay, Mrs. Dash, and a little bit of my original Maggie seasoning. So I'm gonna rub this on, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, chef, so what I did, I put a little bit of spray oil in the pan. I sliced my lemons. So now I'm gonna lay my salmon on top of the lemon. I'm already preheating my oven at 350. I'm going to go ahead now and prepare my sauce for my salmon. I'm using a little bit of brown sugar, some soy sauce, a little jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put all the measurements in the description, guys. I have some garlic, but I cream the garlic. I also have some melted butter, a little bit of honey, and some freshly squeezed lemon. So this is my sauce for my salmon. After the salmon has been cooked in the oven for like 10 minutes, I'm gonna put it on 10 minutes, regular bake, and then I'm gonna put it on broil for 5 minutes. And before I put the on broil, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over it. Okay, guys? Moving on, chefs, I'm doing my potatoes. So we're doing smashed potatoes, so we're doing it with the skin on. So I'm just gonna be cutting them in 4 pieces, put them in the pot to cook, and then we're gonna be smashing. To add a little bit of salt to your water before you add your potatoes. Okay, chef, so I'm gonna move on to my green beans. My potato is on the fire. My oven is still being preheated to put my salmon in, but I want everything to be ready at the same time. So I'm going ahead now and I'm slicing my garlic to do my string beans or green beans. Americans say green beans, I say string beans because we're Jamaican. Okay, chef, so this is 10 minutes into the oven. I'm gonna pour my sauce on. Broil and leave it for another 5 minutes. So I added some almond milk and some butter, and I'm mashing my potatoes, guys. Oops. I'm washing my beans. So I'm moving on to my green beans. First thing I'm going to add to my pot is some butter and some garlic. Let it saute for a little bit. Melting the butter, having the aroma from the garlic infuse itself. So when I put my green beans in, it will be tasty. just like a little bit of garlic when they're cooking. Now that it has melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add my beans. I'm doing a lot of beans guys. My family love string beans. I'm doing a lot. Okay, so I just keep stirring my beans. I'm gonna add for flavor some oyster sauce. So I'm using like a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and I add like 2 tablespoons of water to it. And that's all I'm doing for my beans, and then I want to allow it to cook down. Yes, chefs, my beans are ready. My smashed potato is ready. Salmon is ready. I'm gonna plate now, guys, and then I'm gonna have you have a look at the finished product. It's tasting so good. Okay, chefs, so we have come to the end of my lovely American touch of Jamaican dinner. Guys, this is looking as how it looks. That's exactly how it's tasting. It's tasting really delicious. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, to subscribe to Auntie Nina's Kitchen, and I'll see you on another video.